Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for interiors. Open your interior photo for high detail enhancement via HDR toning. Convert it to a smart object for flexible control, then enter HDR toning to enhance room elements, increase strength for crisp textures, adjust details to highlight furniture, and lower highlight to control window light. Raise shadows for darker corners, adjust gamma for balanced tones, add vibrance for color pop, and also decrease saturation if needed. Adjust exposure depending on light, mask HDR around soft areas, fine tune all levels, compare for clean improvement. Thanks for